Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to teach chapter number 10, addition and subtraction of money. So exercise 10.1. In that first one is add. So here rupees 29.60, rupees 61.75, rupees 78.50. If you add all this, you will get rupees 169.85. Fine. Second question, rupees 50.50, rupees 19 and rupees 44.50. If you add all this, you will get rupees 114. Fine. Now in the second question, add rupees 7 to rupees 8.50. So how you need to add? You need to write rupees 8.50 and rupees 7 and 00 here. So if you add this, you will get rupees 15.50. Now next is add rupees 45.35 to rupees 33.29. So you need to write like this, 45.35 and rupees 33.29. If you add this, you will get rupees 78.64. Fine. Now the third question from your textbook, it is amount by Amulya is rupees 25.50 and her aunt has rupees 50. So if you add this, the total amount is rupees 75.50. Fine. Again from your textbook, the next question is, there are few books purchased. So name of the book is Puzzle, Panchatantra Stories and Entertainment Stories. So the amount is rupees 7 and 50 paise. For this it is rupees 14 and for this rupees 5 and 50 paise. If you add all this, the total cost will be rupees 27. Fine. So let's move on to the next question. The next question is, Thomas purchases books. So math book he has purchased for rupees 47.50, science book for 35 rupees 0.25, notebook for rupees 18. So what is the total amount he has paid? So if you add all this, you will get 100 rupees 0.75. Right. Now next question is, Surekha purchases pencil for rupees 12.50, but she has purchased 5. So you need to multiply this. Fine. So you will get rupees 62.50. Balls for rupees 30, but 3. So 3 3s are 9. So rupees 90. Now notebooks for 20, 4. So 4 2s are 8 for 80 rupees. Now total amount paid is, if you add all this, you will get 232.50 rupees. Fine. So let's move on to the next exercise, that is exercise 10.2. Now you need to subtract. Okay. Now the given question is rupees 76.25 minus rupees 44.50. So you need to subtract this. If you subtract, you will get rupees 21.75. So here next question is rupees 98.50 minus rupees 55.50. So if you subtract, you will get rupees 43. Fine. Now second question is, subtract rupees 18.50 from 25.10. If you subtract, you will get rupees 6.60. Fine. Now next is subtract rupees 30.50 from rupees 75.50. So bigger number I have written here, smaller number I have written here. So if you subtract, you will get rupees 45. So let's move on to the next question. Next question is, Sonika purchases. Okay. So she has rupees 50 and she has spent rupees 45.50. So the remaining amount she has is, if you subtract these two, you will get 4 rupees and 50. That is remaining amount. Fine. The next question is, David wants to purchase shoes of rupees 399.99. Fine. He has rupees 25.50. So how much more money is needed for him to buy? So we need to subtract this. If you subtract, you will get rupees 374.49. So the next question is, Lakshmi Shah purchases stamps and postcard for rupees 52.50, but he gave rupees 100 to the person. So what is the amount to be returned by that person? So you need to subtract 100 minus 52.50. You will remain rupees 47.50. Fine. Now the last question is, Soumya has rupees 52.50 and she has purchased the vegetables worth rupees 23.50. So the amount left with her is, if you subtract this, you will get rupees 29. This completes your exercise. Let's move on to the next exercise. Now exercise 10.3. The first question is, a playing doll cost rupees 45. What is the total cost of 3 dolls? So one doll cost 45. How much is for 3? So the total cost is, you need to multiply here. Rupees 45 into 3. If you multiply, you will get rupees 135. Fine. Now next question is, a packet of cooking oil cost rupees 82.50. What is the cost of 5 packets? So one packet is 82.50. So 82.50 into 5. If you multiply, you will get rupees 412.50. That is the total cost. Fine. A man spends rupees 95.50 for his daily food. What is amount he spends on food for a week? In 1 week there are 7 days. So amount rupees 95.50 into 7. You need to multiply this. If you multiply, you will get answer as rupees 668.50. Fine. Now the fourth question. The cost of the book is 23.75. What is the total cost of 5 books? So total cost is 23.75 into 5. If you multiply, you will get answer as rupees 118.75. So what did you learn from this exercise? This entire exercise is about multiplication. This is the trick. Now next exercise is 10.4. In this entire exercise, you need to divide. So that I was trying to tell. Fine. If the cost of the 6 doll is rupees 42, 6 dolls, what is the cost of 1 doll? So cost of 1 doll is equal to cost of all doll divided by number of doll. In simple, it is 42 divided by 6. You can directly divide this, or you can divide like this. 6 sevens are 42. So it means cost of 1 doll is rupees 7. So let's move on to the next question. So the second question is, if cost of the 8 notebook is 72, what is the cost of 1 notebook? So cost of 1 notebook is 72 divided by 8. 8 nines are 72. So it is 9 rupees. Third question is, the cost of 4 pens is 40 rupees. What is the cost of 1 pen? So cost of 1 pen is 40 divided by 4. So it is 10 rupees. You can divide like this also. Fine. Fourth question is, the cost of 4 pencil is 16 rupees. What is the cost of 1 pencil? So cost of 1 pencil is 16 divided by 4. So it is 4 rupees. So next exercise is exercise 10.5. Now you need to complete the next bill. You can check in your textbook. So serial number 1, 2, 3. Details is tur dal, sugar and rice. Quantity they have taken is tur dal 1 kg, sugar 2 kg, rice 2 kg. The cost for this is 80 rupees. The cost for this sugar is 36 and the cost for rice is 54. But here they have taken 2 kg. 2 into 36 is 72 rupees. 2 into 54 is 108 rupees. 1 into 80 is 80 rupees. So total amount is rupees 260. Fine. So this is in the number form. You need to write in words. So while writing in the words, you should mention first rupee 260 only. This is how you need to write. So let's move on to the next question. Now observe the price list given in your textbook. Now Gaurama purchased gram dal 1 kg which cost 60 rupees, tur dal 2 kg which is of 70 rupees, rava 2 kg rupees 28, sugar 1 kg rupees 32. So 1 into 60 is 60 rupees, 2 into 70 is 140, 2 into 28 is 56 rupees. 1 into 32 is 32 rupees. So total amount paid is rupees 288. So this completes your entire chapter. Now let's have little summary of the chapter. So in this chapter, what all you have learned? You have learned addition of the money, subtraction of the money, multiplication and division. Fine. So last thing is 1 rupee is equal to 100 paise. This was the summary of the entire chapter. I hope you understood perfectly. Keep watching. Thank you for watching.